Find the following if f of x equals x squared plus 3x plus 2 and g of x equals x plus 1. F times g of x. We begin by noticing that f times g of x is equal to f of x times g of x. So we want to multiply f of x, which is x squared plus 3x plus 2, times g of x, which is x plus 1. I'm going to rearrange the multiplication and have g of x go first. And remember, that does not change the value of our product. So I would have x plus 1 times the quantity x squared plus 3x plus 2. Evaluating this means that we need to distribute each term in this binomial times each term of the trinomial. X times x squared is x cubed. X times the 3x is plus 3x squared. X times the plus 2 is plus 2x. 1 times x squared is plus x squared. 1 times the 3x is plus 3x. And 1 times 2 is plus 2. There's only one x cubed term, so we write that. We have a 3x squared plus x squared, so that's plus 4x squared. We have 2x and 3x, which added together gives us 5x. And then we have the plus 2. So f times g of x is equal to x cubed plus 4x squared plus 5x plus 2.